multitasking here. Really talented. Under the bandages? Which one though? Oh my god. Oh. Thank you for the blesses. I had to sneeze. Fucking hell. Give myself chills sometimes when I sneeze. Yesterday I saw someone driving with a red car super fast. Oh my god.
In this game, so feel free to just pick up shit and drop it if you don't like it later.
Okay.
Like, there's some leather leggings here that you might like too.
Thank you. Leather leggings, you said?
Yeah.
Where is that? Floor 2, okay. All of them? I've never played any. Oh my gosh.
Toxic hazard. Toxic hazard clear.
No! I'm tired of it! I'm tired, Grandpa!
Who's responsible for the outbreak? I need to understand how.
It's signal. When it pulses, that signal can trigger alterations in genetic code. Neural structure even. You felt it?
Yep. Biological wavelength. Fucking bitch. Alright, what should I upgrade? No, I.
Which is under repair. I'm gonna have to go down to engineering.
Fucking hell.
This should be interesting.
Is it safe?
I don't know how it could be. I'll let you know.
I have to pee. I have to pee. I have to pee.
Yeah, alright, well, there's the beacon on the other side of the island, which I guess we could see on an expedition. Do you want to try the cave nearby? Bless you, by the way.
Which one?
Bless you, by the way.
Thank you.
Triple bless you. Quadruple bless you.
Which cave?
Penta bless.
Which cave are you talking about?
In this guy's hand? Bless you. Bless you,
me,
bless
dude.
you, bless you, dude.
We got a flashlight attached to some D&D or something. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. I'm sick of this shit. Fuck off! I'm so fucking tired of sneezing. All my life. Fuck me, dude. Bones. Oh, best case minor pain like a bruise. Oh my god, it's awful. Oh my god, I have to sneeze. Apparently it's really uncommon in cats. Like severely uncommon. Way more common in dogs. Yeah.
Hold my hand, honey. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. She's allergic to the end of games. Bless you. Yo, bless you. Bless you, dude. Hella bless.
Thank you.
Someone maybe copy and paste the wiki or something,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know what that quest has and what isn't in the quest. Yeah? I'll accidentally spoil it.
No!
It's okay, babe. I'll protect you while
I
you
don't want
sneeze.
to sneeze anymore. You
Bless you,
screamed-
babe.
I was watching one of your VODs and I'm severely jealous of how creative coffee spots are for you. Fucking shut up. God, bitch, quiet. Talks about florals and